Stop guessing which Nigerian stocks to buy when you can actually start investing with AI analysis. In this era of AI analysis, you don't need to disturb yourself about how to get the next stock to buy when you can actually key in a detailed AI prompt into an AI tool, and it will analyze any stock of your choice for you and will even recommend how best to go about it. Now, for instance, for the year 2026, I recommended these stocks you can see on my screen. Tantalizer, I recommended it at 2 naira 30 kobo, saying that it will do 50 to 60 to 70%. You can see as at today, it's selling at 5 naira. At a point, it got to 6 naira. Tip also recommended at 9 naira 50 kobo for 2026, and at a point it was even selling for 14 naira, but currently it's selling at 33 naira. Nimet recommended at 5 naira 50 kobo and currently selling at 11 naira, and even at a point it got to 16 naira. Jaiz Bank recommended at 4 naira 50 kobo, at a point got to 15 naira, and you can see it's currently trading at 9 naira 50 kobo. What I'm trying to tell you is that you can see that the target has been met for the year 2026, and this is just June. And how did I come about this? One of the easiest way is to allow AI to analyze these stocks for you, and eventually you can see all this as well. PZ, Kusin, NASCON, NACO, USCN, they've already hit their targets. So what do you do? Just like I said, stop guessing which stocks to buy. Start investing with AI analysis. So with just 7,500, you can get this course. And one beautiful thing is that this course is going to come as a bonus once you get that course. So you can watch this, and also this is another bonus that will come with it. MMF Investment Masterclass. It is also a bonus. You can see the cost price, but it's going to come as a bonus for the course on investing with AI analysis. Head over to cifacademy.com.ng. You will see the link in the description below, or chat up this number on WhatsApp requesting that you need the course on Nigerian stock investments with AI analysis. Take action before the price goes up.